Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to watch the Faceit demo CS2, then this video is for you. First thing you have to do, make sure that you are logged into your Steam account and you have CS2 installed, and you have to connect the CS2 game on your Faceit account. So once you have connected, you can find the community, all the players that are playing here, all the community related to the Steam here. Now you have to do is simply at the right side you can find some options here. Now go to the versus section where you can find all the matches. Now when you are connected with your game here, then you can find the party finder, and from here you can challenge anyone or play with these users that are currently on the Faceit, and then when you are start playing with them, then it will record the progress or the video file or the demo as a demo on these matches, where you can download this file as a WinRAR and you can watch the demo of that match. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.